So we're in Bagamoyo right now, we're looking at some land to buy. Bagamoyo is a great place to invest, you know. So welcome to Bagamoyo, welcome to the land hunt. We're going to show you how buying land in Tanzania works. So there's processes to buying land here, you know, and there's different things you need to do to make the value of your land raise. You'll notice a lot of these big empty plots with massive fences around them. The minute you build a fence around your land, the value of the land raises by at least 30%. That's why you find a lot of these big walled off areas with nothing behind the fence. But the land value goes up the minute it's fenced off. You can see the blocks now. These blocks will be registered with the land registry office. So you check on the title deed if the block numbers matches the numbers in the poles and the person who owns the title deed, then you'll know you have a genuine title. This one, this one, and then it goes to where?
Here it goes to, you see this green tree there?
Yeah. So that's an acre or 2 acres?
How big is the acre? Yeah, 1 acre.
This land you'll see they have a title deed because those poles, they call them pouches. And each pouch has numbers on it that matches with the land registry office. So when you look at the land and you want to find out if there's a clean title deed, it helps to see if the corners are numbered, etc. Who is the owner? Is it registered? Is there any loans outstanding on the land, etc. So there's a long, complicated process. But this is a plot we're just looking at right now. It's a little over an acre. Around searching for some more land in Bagamoyo. As you can see, the scenery is beautiful. Bagamoyo is one of my favorite places in Tanzania. You know, my heart really feels restful in Bagamoyo, and that's what Bagamoyo means, where my heart lays to rest. It's a very interesting historical town with great culture, great ambience, great atmosphere, everything. And I think also a really good place to invest.
This village near the house, there is a project of farming project. The people from Germany, they invested with Tanzanian people. So this area is it's very nice for business because people they invest here, even some foreigners they come to invest. Then there's college nearby. So if we build them house, we can lend the teachers, the students from the college. So it's really a place to.
There's a sugar plantation
is
industrial zone. The port, Bagamoyo is one of the super future cities of Tanzania. So this is a great place for people to invest. You know, and there's a great culture surrounding Bagamoyo also.